Hey guys, so I think I'm recording. Yeah, I'm good. Okay, I am out today, so I wanted to film a really quick video showing you what you're doing today because I feel like it might be a little complicated, but I promise it's not. So I just wanted to clarify. I'm going to go ahead and make can I make this smaller? Yeah, I'm going to make this smaller. Okay, so hi, I'm in the corner now. This is obviously your Schoology main page. I'm on the green class right now because they did it and it was fine. You want to click on this right here. This is what you're going to be doing today, the main thing. It's called slogan practice. Right? We went over what a slogan is when we did our notes. It's obviously that catchy line that most companies will use to sell a product. I'm loving it, just do it, so on and so forth. So you're going to go ahead and open this with Cami. When you do, it's going to be 3 pages. So the first page is just going to be like a list of popular slogans, and you're welcome to use these, but you can also look for other ones. This is just kind of to get your mind going. The first thing on here that you're going to do, these are haikus. You guys are going to write haikus. So if you don't remember what a haiku is, even though you should because it was from 7th and 6th grade, it is a Japanese 3-line poem that has 17 syllables. And what do I mean by a syllable? I mean like those beats in a word. And this is just to refresh your memory. So like my last name, O'Brien, is O'Brien, 3 syllables, okay? So to make a haiku, you have to have 17 total syllables in the words that you use in those 3 lines. Most people do 5, 7, 5. It's pretty easy. So 5 syllables in the first line, 7 syllables in the next, and then so on and so forth. I wrote 3 examples for you guys right here. I have 3 famous slogans, and then I went and kind of made a poem about those places as I went. They can be good or bad. I don't really care. I just want to see that you are thinking about like what the company wants us to think and how the company is actually portrayed, right? So for instance, the first one, finger licking good, that is a slogan for KFC. It was actually recently taken down. It's not their slogan anymore because of COVID. They're like, we don't want people licking their fingers. So finger licking good, 5 syllables. 11 herbs and spices. That's like their mystery recipe. 11 herbs and spices. Okay. 7. And then my last one, Popeyes is their competitor, right? So they always want to be better than them. So better than Popeyes. There you go. I also have Disney World, Florida, the happiest place on earth, screaming kids all over. So 5, 7, 5. Again, once more. And then this last one, Duracell Bunny, he keeps going and going. Why does he play drums? So some of them are more, positive, like eat at KFC. Some are negative, like don't go to Disney. And then this one down here is more of like an observational poem. But this is kind of where I want you guys to go. So you can write as many as you like, but you do have to write at least 3. Okay. So if you want to go up here and use these, you can, but please note that only a few of them are 5 or 7 syllables. So for instance, gimme a break is only 4. So if you use that one, that means your next line has to be like 8 syllables, okay? Because you want 17 total. You don't have to stick to the 5, 7, 5, but if you do, or if you don't, you need to make sure that you do have 17 at the end. So, don't just list slogans. Don't just write finger licking good, the happiest place on earth, and then, I don't know, another 5 syllable one. You get the idea. Okay, so that's the first thing you guys are doing today. Finish that up. It should not take you very long. And then after that, down here, this one is a little bit different. So here's my example right here for a slogan. Just do it. Obviously, we talk about this a lot, is the really famous Nike slogan, probably one of the most famous slogans of all time. And then I wrote what the slogan's opposite would be, which is obviously just don't do it. Okay. When you write these opposite slogans, I want you to think of what kind of product would have the slogan, just don't do it. Okay. Maybe it's an Adidas ad saying don't shop at Nike, just don't buy Nike, Or maybe it's not even a shoe related thing. Maybe it's like a don't vape. You know what I mean? Like don't do it. So what you need to do with that after you have completed your examples, so you have 5 of them, I want you to pick your favorite. And then you are going to hop into Canva. Let me go over here really quick. Show you what I mean. You guys should all be in the Canva class by now, but if you're not, just go ahead and make your own account. It's super easy, and then we'll get you into the class when I come back. But let's type poster right here. And immediately we're going to get a lot of templates popping up. So for instance, what if I want to make an Adidas poster? I'm going to go click, create a blank poster. And then you'll see the templates will load right here in the corner. So I'm going to write sports template. Okay. Got lots to choose from here. Okay. So you can go ahead and just pick, hello. Let's say we'll pick this one or even this one. Yeah, I like that one. Okay. We could change this to just don't do it. Okay. Nike is bad. Buy Adidas. Okay. So, I'm kind of just, this is the bare minimum ads. But you can do something like that. Obviously, you don't have to use a template. I just do because it's super easy. Download it as like a JPEG screenshot, whatever you need to do, and then hop back over to your Cami file, which, oh my gosh, where did it go? Okay. Hop back over to your Cami file, and then down here in the corner, I'm going to move my face up here. There's this thing that says Add Media. When you click on that, my computer, my drive, wherever you saved the picture, right, you can get it from there. Okay? And then it'll just plop it right here for you. So this is where I want you to put the poster that you make for your opposite slogan poster. So I have just don't do it, Adidas is better. And then this like soccer guy. So it can be as simple or as complex as you want, but you do have to give it your best shot. Okay. That's your main focus for today. When you guys are done, you obviously know you have missing work to do. Remember that interims are today. So you want to get those grades looking right. Okay, you have the no writings, the actively learns, and right now there's also some ed puzzles listed if you want to try those as well. But just make sure you get this done first, okay? If you have any questions, please email me, ask your sub. I'm sure that they'll be plenty helpful. Please get creative with the haikus. I'm very excited to see what you got, okay? I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.